LeetCode Pangram. Check if the sentence is a pangram. What is a sentence that is a pangram? A sentence that is a pangram is a sentence that contains all the English alphabet characters at least once. For each character at least once. So does this contain A? Yes. Does this contain B? Yes. So basically it contains all the characters, so the answer is true. If we look at the next example, so the LeetCode does not contain A, it does not contain B, so it's not a pangram. A pangram should contain all the English letters at least once. And with that, let's move to C and answer actually two answers. Okay, so in the solution, we construct a scene, variable names. We name it scene. Basically, in programming interviews, we want to have a set of variable names that we already know. We don't want to think about which name to give to a variable. We have enough problems in a programming interview. So we just use scene, answer for answer or result, and we could have a fixed number of variable names that we can just shoot in a programming interview. Okay, so we construct the scene variable, which is a set. We put all the letters in the sentence in the scene, and next we scan all the English alphabet and check if C from the English alphabet is not in the scene and scene was the input sentence as a set, then we immediately know that we can return false because, hey, we found a character that is not in scene, is not in the input. If all the characters are in scene, then we return true. And next, let's see solution number 2. So although this is an easy question, solution number 2 will get rid of this for loop with a Python trick and will get rid of this for loop with another Python trick. So although this is an easy question, with these two tricks, they will help us with harder questions. Let's see solution number 2. Solution number 2, 2 lines of code. So we can just take an input string and put it in the constructor of a set and we'll get a set of scene. No need to do a for loop on the sentence, on the actual sentence string. Just do a set of some string A, B, C, D, and you'll have a set. Beautiful. Next, in order to know whether we have all the English letters in the scene, we just check its size because a set would have a single item per English character. So if the length of scene is 26, then it must have all the English characters. And basically, that's it. Of course, we are assuming here that sentence did not have here some special characters, probably in the definition of the question. Yeah, we actually see that the given sentence contained only English characters. So you see, we have here two tricks. One trick was to construct a set by the input string, and the next one was to check for the length of a set. And if it's 26, so we need to remember 26. If it's 26, then it has only English characters. So these were two solutions to identify if a string is a pangram.